Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at the differences between transcription, subtitles, closed captioning, open captions, just so that we know what we're making before we go and try and make it in Premiere Pro. We'll start with transcripts, that's the easiest one. So on my website, okay, all my videos are transcribed and it's basically just all the text written out and added to the video. Now this is so that people who prefer to read what's going on can read it. But to be honest, for me, it is mainly used for Google search. Okay, so that all these great keywords, no previous video experience is needed. I can do it. Okay, is all there that the Google spiders can get in there and figure out and lead people to the right page. You might be using it for something a little different, but yeah, video transcripts, just written out big text form. It's often what I use to start a blog post as well. I prefer making videos and then giving the videos out to a writer to write a blog post from, because I'm more comfortable speaking what I think rather than writing it. So transcripts, easy. All right, the ones that have a lot of overlap are the subtitles and closed captioning. They generally get lumped in together, but separately, subtitling is for people or speakers of other languages, and captioning is for people who, or closed captioning is for people who are hard of hearing, okay, or are deaf, can't hear, okay, so they need different things. Like this is one of my videos here. Even though it says closed captioning here, really it's just subtitles because it's different languages. One of my videos,
design tool is
okay, I can turn English on or I can turn Hindi on. That's all I've got subtitled for this video. But what you'll notice is at the beginning here, when I play it, look, nothing's on the screen. Okay, and whereas I found something else, more closed captioning. Oh yeah, subtitles. That's the only reason we can all watch Life is Beautiful. Okay, but let's watch. I just picked random stuff from YouTube. Watch what happens. If I turn this on.
What? Nothing. Oh God,
watch what happens.
I'm so excited that you might get this apartment.
See, cheers. Really so it's including all the non-verbal sounds. So people making, I'll find some of those. So cheers, screaming. It has lots of extras. It'll say music playing. Let's go to the beginning here. This one here. Let's turn closed captioning on. Can you see it says music is playing? Okay, so it gives a lot more information than just subtitles. So subtitles normally used for speakers of other languages, and closed captioning is to help people that are hard of hearing, with some hearing loss or deaf people. So you got to make clear what you're actually doing there, okay? When you do maybe send them off to get done. What a lot of places are doing, like this one here. This one here is actually automatically, watch this, when I turn this on, can you see it's auto-generated? That's getting better and better. So YouTube are doing it on their own, okay? It knows its music, and watch the first bit of dialogue here. Shake your camera, that annoys me.
Hey, what's up? I'm KBHD here, and I've got you an early look.
In KBHD should have used shake steady thing. Maybe they're going for a handheld shot. But you can see it's getting really good automatically in places. So anyway, we've got the idea of transcription, subtitling, okay, other languages, including English. Okay, so I use it for English. I put it on top of mine for the people that are watching in English, have partial understanding, but aren't like fully fluent. Okay, so it's still helping them. And closed captioning needs all the additional people for people that are hard of hearing. So the last one is open captions. That one get confusing as well. Open captioning just means it's burnt in. So this one here is optional. Turn it on, turn it off. You've probably seen videos, okay, that are burnt in and they can't be moved. Okay, they're kind of like burnt into the footage. That's really handy for like social media. Okay, when you're going out and a lot of people don't have the like volume up on their device. Okay, so you can burn these in so they don't have to like turn them on and off. They're just burnt in over the top. They can't turn them off, which is annoying, but it also means that they can, you can kind of, it can be compelling, especially if there's not a lot of visual going on and it's all talking. Okay, and that's called open captions. And I'll show you how to do those in Premiere Pro too. All right, let's get started. We'll show you how to make them, and then in another video, we'll show you how to export them with the various parts.